Working in Corel MotionStudio 3D and dealing with an MLB library file containing reusable assets, these store collections of 3D content for motion graphics. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Corel MotionStudio 3D library files. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective MLB file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. An MLB file is a library file created by Corel MotionStudio 3D, a software for creating 3D titles, animations, and effects. This file stores a collection of objects, textures, or presets that can be used across different projects. Users interact with MLB files to manage and reuse assets within the software. The MLB format is a proprietary binary container designed to efficiently store and index multiple 3D assets. This structure allows MotionStudio 3D to quickly load libraries of content, such as text styles or object models, without having to parse individual files, streamlining the creative workflow for users. The MLB file is widely endorsed for use with Corel MotionStudio 3D developed by Corel Corporation. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows lacks full understanding of custom data formats, so proper reading requires dedicated tools. Your key action: right-click the MLB file and choose Open With. Test Corel MotionStudio 3D if it's an option. If not, select another application. Testing is the most reliable way to find the issue. If the MLB file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Since the MLB file didn't open, we need to address these three most common errors. Use this simple list as a guide to check and confirm the problem source. First, loading in MotionStudio 3D. Launch Corel MotionStudio 3D and access the library browser. Use the import or load library function to add the MLB file to your asset library. The contents become available in the library browser for drag and drop application to your motion graphics project. Browse assets by category for quick access during animation production. Next, placing in library folder, copy MLB files to the Corel MotionStudio 3D library folder, typically in the application's user data directory. The application automatically detects libraries in this folder, including them in the library browser. This approach works well for managing multiple library collections across projects and sharing libraries between team members. Finally, considering alternatives. Corel MotionStudio 3D was discontinued, making MLB files difficult to use with current software. Consider migrating projects to actively maintained alternatives like Adobe After Effects with Element 3D plugin or Blender for 3D motion graphics. Extract usable assets from MLB libraries while you have working MotionStudio 3D installations for continued use in modern workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.